Hello everyone, this is Maggie from Tianfeng Solar.
This is Danny from Tianfeng Solar. We have many customers worry about the solar system installation before order. Maybe you have the same worries.
Okay, today we will show you how we assist our customer to do the installation by our online support. He has installed the 150 kilo solar system successfully. He is so happy to share us the video. This is our 150 kilowatt solar system configuration. It includes 312 pieces solar panels, 4 pieces combiners, 4 pieces controllers, 1 pieces 150 kilowatts inverter, 180 pieces 2 voltage dual batteries. And these are the accessories. It is the cables, switchboards, and the tools it is needed during the installation. This is the whole solar system connection overview. The solar panel connects the PV combiner, and PV combiner connects with the controller. Controller connects with the battery, and battery connects with the inverter, then to take the loads.
How to connect the solar panel?
Each solar panel backside has the MC4. It has the positive port and the negative port. It connects each other, it is okay. The solar panel, it is 13 pieces in series. The connect rate is 13 pieces in series, 24 parallels.
So, how the solar panel connect to the PV combiner?
The solar panel output, the negative connects the negative of the PV combiner. The positive connects with the positive of the PV combiner. It is okay.
So, how the PV combiner connect to the solar controller?
The PV combiner here has the positive output and the negative output. The positive connects with the controller positive input, and the negative connects with the controller negative input. How to connect the controller to the battery?
Here are 180 pieces, 2 voltage battery. Connect to one 2P breaker. Then separately connect to 4 pieces solar controller. Here we use the copper strip for the battery connection series.
How to connect the inverter to the battery?
Here are 180 pieces 2 voltage battery. Connect to the breaker, then connect to our inverter battery input.
How to connect the inverter to the city power?
Our inverter have the 3-phase 3 wires IST, then connect to the grid power 3 wires IST.
Okay, and finally, how to connect the inverter to the loads?
Our inverter have the inverter output. IST 3 wire is the 3-phase 380 voltage, and then single phase is the 220 voltage.
Yes, and if the South American countries, the 3-phase is 220 volts, single phase is 110 volts.
After finish connection, how to make system work?
Firstly, turn on the breaker from the battery to the inverter. Secondly, turn on the battery switch. Firstly, turn on the city power switch. Fourthly, turn on the output switch. Fifthly, turn on the breaker of the PV combiner. Sixthly, turn on the breaker from the controller to the battery.
Okay, go on. It's line 2, Abby. Okay. £2
Test that red fish again. That the last fish.
Last piece already?
Yeah, that last fish. Okay, it's better now. Okay.
It's okay.
Just the phone.
This is our big power solar system connection menu.
Next, we will show you the feedback from our Nigeria customer. He has installed his 150 kW solar system by our online service. Let's see how he said.
Welcome to Town Phone Solar. My name is John. I'm here to show you our 150 kilowatt inverter installed. And of course, this is a 3-phase inverter producing 220 volts AC. Yeah. While the input of this inverter is 380 volts DC. Okay. So of course, like I said earlier, this is a 3-phase inverter. Okay. And in this setup, we have 4 charge controllers, and this device above is the PV combiner. The solar panels coming from outside will need to enter into the PV combiner before it will now get into the charge controller. So we have 4 setup like this. This is controller 1, charge controller 2, with PV combiner above, and of course we have also the 3 and 4 over here. Alright? So, and of course it's properly set up in a way that you have the circuit breakers to mitigate against surge and of course surge-related items. So right here we have 180 pieces of 1200 ampere batteries, 2 volts each of them. Now, this device is meant to power a factory, to power the machines in a factory, okay? And of course, it will help the manufacturing company to reduce its consumption from the grid. So like I also introduced earlier, this is an intelligent inverter, online inverter that you can monitor from anywhere you are in the world. Townphone has provided applications for you to be able to monitor on your phone using Wi-Fi or on your laptop or desktop computers. Okay, so, and of course on the roof we have a total of 390 solar panels properly installed to make sure the inverter and the charge controller they get the required voltage. And of course you can see on the nameplate there, it's a 3-phase motor. The capacity of the inverter is showing it is 150 kilowatt, and of course the DC voltage 360 is showing. Okay.